Shall I start, ma'am?
Start.
Okay. Good afternoon, all. Myself Radha. I am from Computer Science Department. I am going to give a seminar on my topic Emotion Recognition System under the guidance of Aparna KS. The main aim of my topic is towards the autistic childrens. Those are the
Go to
childrens.
first slide.
First,
Second slide. Okay. Now we start.
okay, ma'am. The main aim of my seminar is towards the autistic childrens. The childrens, those who are facing problems with their communication and behavior, are called as the autistic children. In order to help those kind of children, an app is present which helps in understanding their emotions, behavior, and make better informed decision. Majority of the autistic children are visual learners. By this Android or smartphone based visual training system, we can make them more effective and help those kind of children with their treatments and therapies. Coming to introduction, autism is a deep rooted and formative handicap which influences how an individual see the world and which is associated with others. We can see this sort of problem mainly in the youngsters, how they can see, hear, and feel the world compared to other individuals. They experiences both the verbal and non-verbal problems like motion in the manner which they speak, and it is very hard for them to get facial expression, voice, and jokes. They have a difficulty in recognizing others feeling, emotions, intentions, and their own emotions. Next, these are the few steps through which the application is working. First one, capturing the images using the camera. Here, the Android Face Detection API, which provides the media and the webcam access. After getting the access, the system is divided into three kinds: face detection. Uh, as you s- as you can see in this image, it is divided into face detection stage and feature extraction stage and emotion classification stage. In feature extraction stage, it is mainly working on the amount of eyebrow extraction, eye extraction, and the mouth extraction. Second one is face detection stage. In this stage, we have to detect the number of faces in the image captured, and for recognition, we are using the agent face, which means it is the set of agent vector when we used in a computer vision problem of human face recognition. And firstly, we are using the PCA here, which is used for the collection of points in a real coordinating spaces. Next, third step, it is facial feature extraction. In this feature extraction, we are using Her Cascade, which is mainly used for efficient object detection method for boosting the cascade of simple feature. The images are mainly present in the form of pixel, but we have to define the direction of the faces in the vector combination, which provides more details and the utility of that extraction. And cascade function is having both the combination of positive and negative images. Next, fourth step is the emotion classification stage. Here we are using the canny edge detection algorithm in this step, which casually used to find the boundaries within where the object is found, and it is used to detect the image edge ranges. And recently, it is implemented by the Oxford Microsoft Project API. Final step is displaying the classified emotion. This is the last step in our emotion recognition. Here, the results which are present in the canny edge detector will be displayed. And this is the flow diagram which exactly represent how our emotion detection will work. Coming to literature survey, Lorne Wing Abutary. In 1917, she developed the concept of broad autism spectrum, and she want to express her idea that there are not only one, many students and many children are facing the same problem, and it is very difficult to create the boundary between the people, those who are having and not having this kind of disorder. Next, second one, Simon Bon Cohen. He declared that autistic childs will have a theory of mind. The theory of mind mainly states that understanding other unique beliefs and desires that is different, totally different from one person to another and their own, engaging ourselves in a daily social interaction as we interrupt the mental state and inferior the behavior of those around us. Next is Valerie Gay email and Peter Ledsdecker. They designed the app called as Capture My Emotion. In that, they used the sensors and the facial expression for recognizing the emotion. And they firstly invented the app called as My Media, where the children can take their photos, videos, or sounds simultaneously. Based on those aspects, we are going to detect the emotion. Coming to conclusion, it is one of the customized application for cell phones, tablets, and exhibited with the help of the systems. It helps the autistic children to understand their emotions via cell phones, sensors, and through the programming APIs. Understanding the emotions of those children, it is very essential to know how well they incorporate into the society, and it will be helpful in building their career day by day. And these are the few reference which I referred for this seminar. Thank you, ma'am.
Go back to that step algorithm.
Steps. Yes, ma'am.
You explain this once again.
One more time, ma'am.
Mm.
Okay. First step is capturing the image using camera, ma'am. Here, the Android face detection API will be present. It provides an media and webcam access for the user. After getting the access, the system is divided into three subcategories: emotion classification stage, face detection stage, and feature extraction stage. Feature extraction stage works on the amount of eyebrow extraction, eye extraction, and the mouth extraction, ma'am. Second, face detection stage. Here we have to detect the number of faces in the image captured, and for recognition we have used the agile faces. Agile faces means it is the name given to the set of agile vector. When we use this kind of faces in our computer, it is helpful for human face recognition, and we used a PCA in this, ma'am. PCA is used for the collection of points in real coordinate spaces. Coming to third step, facial feature extraction. Here we used a hair cascade feature extraction. It is mainly
So
based
tell
on.
me, Radha,
Yes, ma'am.
go back, go to next slide. You just tell me what is happening here. Face detection algorithm will detect based on the camera. It will
Yes, ma'am.
detect your facial expression. Then
Yes.
what it does next? How
First,
emotion? How can you classify the emotions?
first user has to take the picture, or they can take from their gallery, ma'am. Based on the photo, it will process in face detection stage. Here we are using some agile faces algorithm and PCAs, ma'am. In this step, based on that, we are going to detect how many faces are present in the picture, ma'am. And in next step, we are using the hair cascade classifier. It is used on the amount of eye extraction, eyebrow extraction, and the mouth extraction present in the picture. We are going to classify this stage, ma'am. After that, in last in the fourth step, emotion classification stage, we are using canny edge detection, ma'am.
No,
It
no.
is
See, what is that? You're extracting all the features and you're comparing with the database.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now that database will have certain fixed faces, no? If the eyebrow is going up, something like angry, or
Yes.
if the eyebrow is normal,
Yes, ma'am.
his face is having some expression. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಡಾಟಾ?
That only, ma'am, in her cascade feature extraction, we are having all those kind, ma'am. In
What?
that they mentioned everything, ma'am. If the eyebrow extraction is this range, it will be angry, it will be happy. Based on these three aspects, we are coming for a conclusion, ma'am. For that purpose
What is
only we
that?
are
Arc?
her cascade feature extraction.
Spell it.
HARRCASCAD.
Uh-huh. What is it? It's a technique or it's a textbook or what is it? It's a tool, huh?
It is like an algorithm, ma'am. We are implementing this in application.
Mm.
They in that algorithm, all these ranges will be present, ma'am. Based on that range, we are coming for a conclusion whether the people is angry or sad or he is excited.
Mhm. Okay. Right.